Guys, what do you think is better? This Acer's laptop? Or this vintage typewriter? Just listen to this click. Listen to these taps. With a computer, you can search anything. But with a typewriter? And you don't worry about internet connection, but you do have to worry about a bothersome cat. Like Spooky. You may wonder, what about this Bluetooth keyboard? Listen to that ASMR. This is highly portable. I got it on Amazon for around like $40. It's portable, convenient, accessible, and Bluetooth. The only downside would be that it's not really practical to use it on a phone. Yeah, that's the word I was thinking of. It even has a little mouse. I could do a whole review on electrical versus manual typewriters, but that might be a whole different video, as they both have their pros and cons. Alright, I totally get it. Writing in a notebook? Not your thing. And typewriters? Really? Are you 100 years old? Maybe a cat in glasses doesn't suit you either. As for computers, well, we're not exactly in some sci-fi film. Maybe you want something that's between modern and vintage. But they don't make that, right? This is a digital typewriter. It has the clicky sound and feel, just like one from the 1800s, while still being digital enough to connect to your phone. It's easy, wireless, and portable. Which one's better? Let me know in the comments below.